Hello children, welcome. Today in our class we are going to discuss about the introduction to trigonometry. It's one of the most important chapters in 10th standard, and at the same time the link is also continued for you in the further classes where you have the mathematics. Fine. Well, my dear children, before going to the concept, let us see about, in your early classes you have learned much about triangles, and that you are also aware of right angle triangle. And exactly, my dear children, today we are going to discuss only about the concepts of right angle triangle. When you observe the things which are surrounding to you, you can observe the distance from how you are to the distance of the object as well as the height of the object. Fine. Whatever you see around us, everything that which stands vertically needs to calculation like the distance as well as the perpendicular height. Fine. In our earlier in the ancient days, these type of mathematical concepts were followed by the Egypts as well as the Babylons. Okay, it's a special type of mathematical concept which helps us to calculate the distance as well as the height of many objects. Example, Qutub Minar, which is standing vertically erect. You want to calculate the height and the distance, we go for a special mathematical concept, and that we can see in a branch called as trigonometry. And this trigonometry is a word which is derived from a Greek word. Trigonometry, that means trigonometry. Tri means three, gon means size, and metry is nothing but measurements. So in this chapter we are going to see about the relationship between the sides and angles of the right angle triangle specifically. Fine, my dear children, let us see over here. Come on, how to start with this? If imagine that this is the right angle triangle and you have got B over here, let's take this as A as well as C. And you know, when you have the right angle triangle, you have a special side called as the hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to angle B is called as the hypotenuse. Well, my dear children, the usage of this mathematical concept was also followed by the astronomers to calculate the height and distance of the planets as well as the stars from the earth. So from the earlier days onwards, these concepts have been very vastly distributed, and now it's been like very much important concept which every student is supposed to learn in the mathematics class. Now, this is considered as hypotenuse. When you take the two angles, this is angle A and angle C, we see the relationship how to take the concept of angle A and angle C. In this chapter, as of now, I am going to teach about T ratios. Trigonometry has 6 basic T ratios, that's called as trigonometric ratios. What are the 6 ratios? It's nothing but sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. In abbreviation, we call it as sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec as well as cot. Now, let me teach in this class how to calculate the ratios for sine, cos, tan and these all things. Fine. Now, sine. If you consider an angle, let us say angle C or else angle A, whatever it is, you know hypotenuse is nothing but the side opposite to 90-degree angle. And when you consider some angle as A, the side which is opposite to this angle A is considered as opposite side, and that which is left over is considered as adjacent side. Well children, how to calculate the value of sine angle A? The value of sine angle A. So sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite. Which is opposite? See here. Opposite by hypotenuse. So which is the opposite side is nothing but BC by AC. Now let's see how to calculate cos angle A. Cos angle A. And this is cos angle A. How to calculate cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. This is adjacent side by the hypotenuse. So which is the adjacent side? That's nothing but AB and hypotenuse is nothing but AC. When you wanted to calculate tan, that's nothing but opposite by adjacent. Opposite side is BC, opposite by adjacent. Opposite side is nothing but BC and adjacent is nothing but AB. Whereas you want to see about cosec. Children, here you want to see that the first three ratios, if you keep in mind, that's enough that the rest three will automatically work out. That's nothing but the sine's reciprocal is cosec. Sine is opposite by hypotenuse, whereas cosec is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite. So when you have here BC by AC, that works here as AC by BC. Now we'll see what is cos. The reciprocal of cos angle A is nothing but secant angle A. So secant, you have adjacent by hypotenuse. Here it is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent. So when you have AB by AC, it works here as AC by AB. Now tan. Tan's reciprocal is cot A. So when you see that